Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to empty your cycle bin on your computer. If you want to enhance your computer speed, you have to empty your cycle bin. All the files you deleted from your PC or laptop, it will move in recycle bin. Suppose I want to delete this folder, then I will right click on this folder and select the delete option. It will automatically move in recycle bin. I can open and show you recycle bin. Here you can see that the folder I have deleted recently is moved to recycle bin. Now if you want to restore this folder or you delete your folder accidentally, then you can restore this folder by clicking right click on this folder and click on the restore button. When you right click and restore your desired folder, it will automatically move on the same location where you have deleted. Now if you don't empty your recycle bin, it will increase your disk space. So if you want to reduce your disk space, you have to empty your recycle bin. In this way all the files that you deleted are stored in recycle bin will remove from your computer, and it will enhance or improve your disk space. So if you want to delete or empty your recycle bin, you will right click on the recycle bin and click on the empty recycle bin option. By clicking on empty recycle bin option, you are able to delete your 16 items permanently. All the files that are stored in recycle bin are permanently deleted from your PC or laptop. So if I click on yes button, it will delete all the files that are stored in my recycle bin. Now here you can see that there is no file in my recycle bin. So if you want to delete your files from recycle bin or empty your recycle bin, you have to right click on recycle bin and click on empty recycle bin. In this way you can recycle in this way you can empty your in this way you can empty your recycle bin. It will improve your disk space and enhance your computer or PC speed. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys later. Bye.